National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, east central Clark County in northwestern Virginia, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, southern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Corporation of Ranson, or over Charlestown, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Charlestown, Purcellville, Ranson, Round Hill, Harpers Ferry, Kearneysville, Corporation of Ranson, Lamont, Lovettsville, Oliver, Shenandoah Junction, Hamilton, Middleway, Hillsborough, Halltown, Deersville, Louisville, Waterford, Summit, Point, and Ripon. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water